I guess here 6 plus 6 times here 6 plus 6 is 12 divided by 6. Here 6 plus 6 times here 12 divided by 6 is 2. Here now 6 plus 6 is 12 times 2. Here 12 times 2 is 24 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations, PEMDAS, this 24 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, this is exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 6 plus 6 times inside the bracket, if we have two operations, one is addition and division. Division is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this division before this addition. So 6 plus 6 divided by 6 is 1. Now 6 plus 6 times the bracket is 6 plus 1 is 7. Now we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 6 plus 6 times 7 is 42. Now 6 plus 42 is 48 is the correct answer.